Welcome back to DJ Anna Raz Hugot, and for today's video, another day, another chai to a new coffee shop here at Santa Cruz, Davao del Sur. So today we are here sa Baybayin by Dessert. I don't know what's next, but let's go!
Picture ko, tata.
Ah, sige. Kakauwi. And pagdating mo dito guys, makikita mo yung dagat, and this is what I love about this place. This is actually my first time, pero nakikita ko to siya sa sa Facebook, sa FYP ko, and today nakaanhin na gid to diri. I will try this place, we'll try the food, and let's see, we will do the taste test later, but for today, enjoy the view. Oh yeah.
No, not here.
Taste test. Oh my god.
Pantalon na lang ka, Yabo na na. Is it yabo?
I like it.
Ayan.
Darara na siya.